the term is done in an insincere, it's not very sincere, because they want to stay in power. If they were doing good for this country, we wouldn't mind that, but they are not doing any good for this country. They want to stay in power for the sake of power. They want, of course, they want to protect themselves. I mean, they've cases to answer to the nation of Zimbabwe. So the longer they stay in power, the safer they are. The longer they stay, the safer they are. However, yes, we have seen that, and there are discussions and rationalizations about that. But thina ezizaPhuka siboni ukuthi kunceda ngani abantu beZimbabwe, that term extension. Yes, President weZimbabwe has said he's a constitutionalist. Asebakuvumele lokho. Sizake sibone ukuthi njengoba sengifaka i-background leyana ukuthi bayenza so ukuthi uzatshintsha ingqondo yakhe yini engasayi. But once he signs that, then we know which is not a sincere or honest man, or who should be leading the people. Into khona umbuso lo usubehlule. Umbuso ubehlule right from start, and it shows.